Hi guys, it's Sherry. I hope that you are having a wonderful day. Y'all, let's make something super quick, super cute, and oh so super useful. Stay tuned. So guys, I am still working on more A2 card boxes. I've gotten some requests for some deeper ones and I'm working on that as well. But I wanted to switch gears just for a moment because I happened to be in Hobby Lobby and I came across something that when I saw it, I knew exactly how I was going to use it, and I am going to show it to you guys. And here it is. It's this wonderful, wonderful clip. And it's made of metal and it's so stinking cute. And when I saw it, I knew what I was going to do with this, but it has so many different uses. And it also had a companion, which was this blue, I think it's a rose, I'm not really sure. And it's also metal and it has a very matted blue on it, but it is such a pretty piece. And then when we place it on a project, it's going to become even prettier. If you're in Hobby Lobby looking for these can be found where they sell the drawer pulls and knobs. So if you're looking for them in the store, that's where you need to look. This one was $3.99. They're 50% off this week. And this one was $4.99. And like I said, they are 50% off this week. And I know several ways that I'm going to use these, but I know one immediate way that I will be using this one. And I'm sure after you guys have seen both of these, you probably have some pretty creative ideas on ways that you too might want to use these little clips. And here it is, guys. Isn't this adorable? It is a clipboard. And when I saw the clip, I thought it would make a gorgeous decorative topper for a custom clipboard. And you can see that the back is just as cute as the front. These swans are absolutely to die for. And it doesn't take very much to make these, doesn't take very much time at all to make these. But what you have here is something that's perfect for teacher appreciation, someone who might be a nurse or a note taker, Mother's Day, a student. This is just a great little gift to give to someone because we're always looking for something to write on. You fill it with some decorative papers, package it up, and you've got a great little craft fair seller or a gift ready-made. So y'all, let's make this and you're going to see just how quick and easy it is. So to make this project, we are going to need 2 pieces of chipboard. I have a piece that measures 10 by 8 and a piece that measures 9 3/4 by 7 3/4. And then I have 2 pieces of 12 by 12 paper. I don't need a full 12 by 12, but I am just going to start with that and I'll cut away my excess. And the paper that I'm using is Craft Consortium. It is illustrated by Hackney & Company, and the name of the paper is the Riverbank, and I believe that I have shown you guys this collection before, but it is just a marvelous set of illustrated pages. I just love this, and it's got the treatment on it. Look at those birds. They are just so super cute. And then you've got your beautiful little dragonflies here, just gorgeous. And there are swans and the froggies that we'll be using right now. Okay, so what we are going to do is we're going to go ahead and put down both pieces of chipboard and just get that process done. So I will take my piece that measures 10 by 8 and I am going to place that down, giving myself a decent little border. And I'll go ahead and place down my piece that measures 9 3/4 by 7 3/4. And I'm sitting with my door open today, so you guys will probably get to hear some of my wind chimes going out there. So now I'll just come back and I am going to trim out my excess. Then on both pieces, let's just flip them over and get everything nice and stuffed. And once we've done that, we're going to stand it up, fold it over. And we'll do this on both pieces. And then we will take our finger blade, scissors, whatever it is you want to use, and we are going to miter cut on the ends. So now that I have my ends mitered, I am going to just lay down some tape on all four sides. You can glue it. You can even put the tape runner on this part. Okay, so once I have my tape around, all I need to do is fold over my edges and get them stuck down on all four sides. And then I'll come back with my bone folder and just get this stuck. Now what I am going to do, and you don't have to do this, I want it to have a firmer base to this, because if you're going to be writing on it, you don't really want it dipping in the middle. If you have a heavyweight piece of chipboard, you can get away with using one piece. I have medium weight, so for me, I wanted to use two pieces just to give it some firmness. And all I'm doing is taking the second piece and just aligning it with the back. And I wanted mine to have just a little lip around it. That's why I cut it just a little smaller than the top piece. So at this point, I am going to use my refill bottle of glue, and I am just going to lay down some glue all along this, and I'm going to make sure that I get my corners and my edges covered very well. And now I can take this piece and I am going to lay it down on this piece, and I'll get it centered. Use my paper towel to just really press down. I'm not going to press with my left hand because that would aggravate my wrist. Use my bone folder, get it stuck. You could actually lay some heavy books on this so that pressure can get down and get these stuck. Let it sit like that for about 15 minutes and you would have a nice board to board stick on these. So I think that I have got a pretty good stick on these two. So I am going to flip this over. When I flip it, all of that give that was there before is gone. So now I can bring in my cute little clip and just put it down. Isn't that gorgeous, guys? It is absolutely beautiful. Beautiful. I love how this turned out. I am going to take this one off for just a minute because I want to put the blue one on so you can see that how cute this one is as well. And with the right paper, oh my goodness, that is going to be a stunner of a clipboard. Absolutely fabulous. And what I'm hoping to do is show you guys how, if you can't find these at, you know, Hobby Lobby, or you don't have access to a Hobby Lobby, or you are out of the country and you don't have these in your country, I am working on an alternative way that we can get this look without having to have the items that I had from Hobby Lobby. So look forward to that quick tip coming up. I don't have it together just yet, but I will. So I am going to put this one back on, and you can see just how pretty this is. Then if we want, we can embellish even further. And you know that there are dragonflies. Wherever you've got froggies going around, you've got dragonflies. So we could actually just glue this one down. This is another one of those beautiful brooches that I got from Hobby Lobby. And all I did was just snap the backs off of them to make them a flat back. So that's all you need to do with those brooches. And they too are on sale this week. So 50% off, guys. Go over there and get some. Now, back to this board. If you want to treat the board with some type of a sealer, you can use your sealer of choice. If you're going to be using a spray sealer, please do that outside because it's really not advisable to use a spray sealer like that in an enclosed area. You can use Mod Podge. You can use whatever it is you want to use to seal this. I haven't sealed this one yet. Haven't decided if I'm going to, but I did want to throw that out there because I know that will be one of the questions. So use whatever sealer you think is going to work for you. Just make sure that whatever you pick out states that it has a non-yellowing effect, meaning that it's not going to alter the color of the paper that you're placing it down on. So all that's left now is to just stack some paper on here or whatever else it is you might want to put on here, and you are gift ready. I am going to bring the other one back in so we can have a quick look at all of this clipboard goodness, and I am going to just lay that dragonfly right there because I think that is so stinking cute. And these little flowers totally work with this paper. The lily pad and the flowers here totally works. So guys, I hope that you have liked this very fun and quick project, but like I said, fun, quick, and useful. And if you have, please hit the like button. If you are not a subscriber to my channel, I would love to have you join my online crafting family. You guys have a great day, happy crafting, and we'll chat later. Bye.